In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product ad video in Canva. We'll keep it simple and polished, perfect for showcasing your product on social media or your website. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design. Choose the video size so your canvas is set to standard dimensions for most platforms. This gives you a full HD layout and a timeline to work with, making it easy to control how everything appears on screen. Head over to Templates and search for Product Ad. This pulls up ready-made layouts designed for promotions. Pick a template that matches the vibe you're going for, clean and minimal for a premium feel, or bold and colorful if you want something eye-catching. Remember, you can customize everything, so focus on the structure and placement that suit your product. Now, upload your product image. Go to Uploads, click Upload Files, and select your product photo from your device. High-quality images with good lighting work best. Once the upload finishes, drag your product into the template to replace the placeholder image. If it doesn't snap into place, drop it right over the existing photo until you see it swap in. Click on your product image and choose Edit Photo. If your product has a busy background, use the background remover to isolate it for a cleaner, more professional look. This step is optional, but it often helps your product stand out. With the product in place, add subtle motion. Select the product, click Animate, and choose either Match and Move or Pan. Match and Move tracks your product between frames, while Pan creates a smooth sliding motion. Keep the movement gentle so it enhances the design without distracting from your message. Update the text to include your product name, key features, and price. Keep it concise and benefit-focused. Adjust fonts, sizes, and colors to align with your brand, and make sure there's enough contrast so your text is easy to read. Next, add some music. Click Audio and pick a track that fits your brand's tone, upbeat for energetic ads or calm for a premium feel. Make sure the music complements the visuals and doesn't clash with the overall mood. Use the bottom timeline to fine-tune timing. Drag clip edges to shorten or extend scenes, and adjust the duration so each message has enough time to be read comfortably. When you're happy with everything, click Share, then Download, and choose MP4 Video. Canva will render your project and give you a ready-to-use file for your channels. And that's it. Your product ad video is complete and ready to go.